In 6.6.16, we're looking to find the probability of more than 54 people out of this study of 1,156 people that were treated with this cholesterol drug had flu symptoms. So we're going to find the probability of that happening, and then we're going to look at the results to see what they suggest about the flu symptoms as an adverse reaction to the drug. So the first thing we want to do is find the probability of a person not receiving any treatment that has the flu-like symptoms. In this case, it's 0.044, so that becomes our P, 0.044. Our Q is 1 minus that, 1 minus 0.044, which is 0.956. And then N would be 1,156. We want to find the mean and the standard deviation. The mean is going to be N times P. In this case, 0.044 times 1156. So we would expect about 50.864 people within this population to have flu-like symptoms. And the standard deviation is the square root of N times P times Q. So 1156 times 0.044 times 0.956, and then take the square root of that, and that's going to be 6.973233. So when we approximate the binomial to the normal, we have to make sure the N times P and N times Q is greater than 5. In this case, we don't have a problem with that. We're going to pull up our calculator. We're going to put in the mean we calculated, 50.864. Our standard deviation, we're going to plug it in to be 6.973233. We want to find the probability is greater than or equal to 54, but we have to take into account the continuity factor. So if I just plug this in, I'm actually going to miss a little bit, and I need to go to a little bit of the left of that. So that's going to be 53.5 probability. So since I'm looking for greater than or equal to, I subtract 0.5 from the 54. And then rounding 4 decimal places, I end up with 0.3527, and then check my answer there. So hopefully that kind of shows you how to use the StatCrunch calculator when you're looking for a normal approximation. You have to take into account for the continuity factor, and then you have to find the mean and the standard deviation and compute it there. And then you can make the what does this suggest about it. If you recall in the book, something that is highly unlikely is less than 0.05. So drug has no effect on the flu symptoms because the probability that 54 or more experience it is not highly unlikely there. So